Hi everyone, thanks for tuning in. I am doing a series of virtual tours today to bring real estate to you. And right now I'm outside of my incredible listing at 1306 Kings Heights Way here in Airdrie. And we're gonna just flip the camera around. Kings Heights is an incredible community. You have access to Kings Heights Market. You have ponds, tons of playgrounds, so many amenities, incredible schools. There's actually a French school in the neighborhood as well, and just so much opportunity to enjoy an incredibly family-friendly community, or just a very friendly community in general. So as soon as you enter, you're going to notice a beautiful entryway, gorgeous color palette, beautiful wood flooring, so much to explore. Gorgeous contemporary doors. I love the gray tone paint. And here's a close-up of that beautiful hardwood flooring. Light fixtures have all been upgraded. We're gonna head to the right, or sorry, the left. Your powder room is tucked to the front with a beautiful light fixture, mirror that goes all the way to the ceiling. Again, I'm at 1306 Kings Heights Way, here in Kings Heights in Airdrie. This home offers just over 2,000 square feet, plus an undeveloped basement. So we're gonna show you the outside as well. The cool thing about this home is the double attached garage actually fits a truck. I know a ton of clients that have been curious to know about fitting a truck in their garage. Well, this home definitely ticks off that box. So here is your mudroom area. Back into the main living area, you have your flex room. They're using this as an office. It could be a toy room, it could be whatever you need it to be. All the window coverings are those two tones, so it's sheer or opaque. Beautiful upgraded window coverings. This home still has a 5-year structural warranty remaining. This is your access to your undeveloped basement, but the furnace and ducts have all just been professionally cleaned as well. You have your beautiful open concept living, dining, and kitchen area. Beautiful stone fireplace, top to the bottom, a beautiful focal point. It's already roughed in. If you want to have a television on your main floor, that's a perfect spot for it. We're going to continue the pan. Gorgeous, gorgeous light fixtures. This home is basically a show home, but it is occupied. Beautiful white kitchen, granite countertops, Frigidaire Pro Series appliances. I'm going to show you my favorite feature, which is the backyard. So we're gonna head on out here. So your backyard is accessed right from your dining area. Again, I'm at 1306 Kings Heights Way here in Airdrie, and your home is west facing, or the backyard is west facing, and the backyard is huge. Now, a lot of people have been asking me questions about what's behind here. So what's right behind here is the walking path that connects all of Kings Heights together. And on the other side of that, there is commercial. However, the cool thing about the commercial that is back there is it's actually not active all the time during regular time. So not just COVID, but the hours of operation are very, very short during the week, if any at all, and most of the commercial back there isn't even open to the public, so it's incredibly private. And the beautiful trees as they're filling in just offer so much privacy. And of course I'm doing this video as Kings Heights property management group is doing their landscaping maintenance, but that also shows a really good sign of a well taken care of property. So 1306 Kings Heights Way, just over 2,000 square feet, so 2,051 square feet, offers you this beautiful, huge backyard, unlike any I've seen, especially in this community. So we're gonna continue our tour. So I'm gonna do a pan here. Again, 1306 Kings Heights Way. For all of the details, please check out my website, taramolina.com/1306, and you will get to see photos, videos, data, measurements, you name it. Here's your view if you are busy cooking and you're entertaining guests. This home is just a showstopper. So beautiful landscaping in the yard, tons of perennials. We're gonna head on upstairs. So 1306 Kings Heights Way, all of the details can be found on my website. Beautiful lighting throughout, gorgeous color palette, move-in ready. Pride of ownership is evident in this home. You would never think that this home is occupied. Here is bedroom 1 of 3 upstairs. Already set up as a little girl's room, easily can be changed if you're not looking to have an accent wall. I think it's the sweetest thing ever. Here is your master retreat. We're gonna do a pan. The master retreat is west facing, so you do get a mountain view from your window. So you get to look above it all. So you do have mountain views. And here's the bird's eye view of your incredible backyard. There's that guy making all that noise, but he's doing a great job keeping the community of Kings Heights in pristine condition. And your beautiful ensuite. So your double vanity, again with granite countertops, beautiful mirror all the way to the top of the ceiling with that gorgeous, gorgeous accent light. The tile in here is just spectacular. A marble look finish. Your shower, standalone shower, soaker tub that's completely private. You can look out, but there's not really anything looking at you. And then your walk-in closet tucked to the side for easy mornings, getting ready. So we're going to explore the rest of this beautiful property. To my right, heading out of the master, is your main bath. All of the details are found throughout the home, so there's continuity. Same granite, same tile, same countertop, same details. They've done a fantastic job adding special touches and value to this home. Here's the bedroom 3 of 3. Again, set up as a beautiful little girl's room. But the wallpaper is very easy to change if you're looking at neutralizing it. But again, I think this is an absolutely spectacular little room. And right across the hall is the laundry room. It's huge, and you also have the convenience of a window to check out what's happening outside and adding that natural light in the home. And you have your storage tucked to the side. Last but not least is your big, bright, and beautiful bonus room. Beautiful window coverings, east-facing light, so that natural light is just spilling through the home. So much to explore here. 1306 Kings Heights Way, here in Airdrie. All of the details can be found on my website, taramolina.com/1306. Here's your main entryway again. I'm going to continue just by finishing off of your main open concept and main entertaining area. So much room, especially in the coming summer months, having that huge backyard to entertain that's right off of your kitchen. We're going to check that out again now that the guy that was mowing the grass has vacated. But just spectacular. Summer nights, watching that sunset over the mountains, enjoying this impressive backyard. Life is pretty good at 1306 Kings Heights Way here in Airdrie. For all of the details on this listing, check out my website, taramolina.com/1306, and then reach out to me. I would love to give you a personal tour of this home, whether it's in person or virtually. I'm offering both. It's just based on your comfort level, but I would love to showcase all of the incredible features found at 1306 Kings Heights Way here in Airdrie. It's definitely worth taking a look. There's so much value packed into 2,051 square feet, plus you have an unspoiled basement that you can make your own if you need more space. But the property alone with the size of this backyard is incredible, and we're going to finish off with a pan of the beautiful style in this home. Move-in ready, looks like a show home. This could be yours, 1306 Kings Heights Way. Check out my website, taramolina.com/1306 for all the details. Then reach out and let's book in your own private tour, whether it's in person or virtually, so you can see the amazing opportunity that 1306 Kings Heights Way has to offer. Thanks for tuning in, everyone.